Son, say hello to our friends.
Hi friends, how are you?
Hi friends, everything cool with you? Look where we are. Look what we have back here. We have a horse here. That's cool, son. Friends, we came to a farm today. Look how beautiful our friend. She's a girl. She's a very beautiful girl. How beautiful you look. She wants to appear in the video too, son. We are going to show you several animals today. We are in a super nice farm. Look at the size of the farm. It is quite big up there, and there are many animals that we will show you.
Yes, there are animals up there too.
Here we will show you the horse, and there are other very cool animals here. Look at Benício passing a hand off over, friend. Tell our friends, if you like the video, what do you have to do?
Leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell below.
That's right, don't forget, leave the like for us. Let's go see the animals, come with us.
There's another horse here.
This is the house of there. Look at this one, how beautiful too.
Hey, hi friend.
Look at this gentle son.
You can run a hand over it.
Look, he shivers all over. Let's show the other animal. So friends, this is the horse. What are we going to show now?
The little pig. Whoa, what stink here?
It stinks, the pit stinks. This is George. Say hi to friends.
I want to hide your horse.
Oh, look how cool. This week, we are going to record a video of him riding a horse. Wait, it will be very cool. Let's go see the other animals. You want to take off your mask?
Yes, take off. My hair is curled.
Mask hair. Let that fix it. Let's go then.
Look at the size of the horse poop.
Look at the horse's poop. Whoa!
It's huge.
Come on then. Right there it's full of friendly animals. It will be really cool, and don't forget, if you like it, leave the thumbs up. Hi handsome. Say hi to your friends. Hi friends, how are you? I'm here resting a little, taking a little sun. We will walk around the farm. It's okay.
Is there another dog here? This is Mario.
Hi friends, how are you? Hi Mario, beautiful dog.
Inside there are two really cool animals.
This one here, friends, is the tortoise. This one is a girl and she is called Pitanga.
Look at her eating papaya.
I'm eating papaya because it's very tasty. You're eating papaya, Pitanga? Yes, I'm eating because I'm very hungry.
I know why he has an orange head. Because she eats a lot of papaya.
It's true, she really likes papaya. Then stay there, Pitanga, because we will show your friends.
Look here. Let that open the door.
Look who's here.
The rabbits. Easter bunnies. Have poop?
Yes, it has a lot of poop. Hi, rabbit. They saw only the rabbits that are beautiful. There are 5 rabbits.
I like that one more.
He's cute, very cute. The friend of Pitanga is inside the house. We didn't think so. Let's try to show him. He's inside, friends. Can you see? This is another tortoise, a species of turtle. And the Pitanga is still eating here. Now you're eating a strawberry.
This strawberry is very tasty. I like it too.
Let's show what to friends now.
The fishes.
The fish. Look how cool this lake is. Look how beautiful the fishes are. Look how many fish. I'll show you guys up close. I'll show them in the water.
How cool!
Look, they are making a fish tank there. They are going to fill it with water and raise fish. Look at the chickens. What's inside?
Quail.
Look how cute. Here's another rabbit. Hello friends, you came to visit me. Friends, this one is called quail. Look what a mess they make. There are many, very cute. These quails lay a very small egg, like this one.
Like this one.
This one is the quail egg. These quails that lay this egg. Show the chicken egg now. This one is from the quail and this one from the chicken. Look at size difference. This little one is from the quail and this one from the chicken.
Can a chicken be born from this egg?
Yes, just leave it under the chicken that the chicken is born. Here, there are more quails. How cute you are!
Let's go into the hen house now.
Look at the rooster. Watch out for him because he's angry. Can mess with the rooster. Look how many chickens. Look son, there's a duck here too.
Look at the turkey daddy.
This is what Dad wants to show his friends too. Say hi to friends, turkey. This one is the duck, the rooster, and the chicken.
The rooster is the king, right, father?
The rooster is the king of the hen house. Look the horse back there, friends. Let's show friends the mallard there in the water.
This is the lake for mallards up there.
This is the mallard. Did you like the farm here?
Yes.
And you friends, did you like the animals here on the farm? Which animal did you like the most?
I like the dog Mario the most, the turkey, the mallard, the horse, and the pig.
Dad really likes the horse. I really like all the animals. The animals are really cool. Friend, this week the Spiderman is going to ride a horse. Send a kiss to your friends.
Kiss friends. See you next time. Bye bye.
Kiss friends. Until next time. Bye bye.